Hi there, I'm David and welcome to another video. We are London and home county safes, and today we're taking a look at our Endurance 50k size 3 digital safe with emergency key. Yeah, so we're London and home county safes on londonsafes.co.uk. Please consider liking and subscribing. Any questions, you can get in touch on the website londonsafes.co.uk or give us a call on 0208 445 0001. Okay, so let's crack on and have a look at this Endurance 50k size 3. It's from a family of 3 safes, size 1, 2 and 3, so naturally this is the largest. Suitable for storing up to £5,000 in cash or up to £50,000 in valuables. Link to the product on the in the video description. Quite a big unit. External dimensions are 652mm high by 435mm wide by 442mm deep, and this is a fairly heavy lump weighing in at 95 kilograms. So routinely you're going to open the safe just using your 6-digit code, your unique PIN number that you're going to set. I'm going to open it in a second and show you with the factory code, which is 6 zeros. But the process is to press clear and then to enter your code, which is going to be 6 zeros in this case, and then press enter. And then once you've done that, there should be a little chime. I don't know if that'll come out on the camera, and the OK light will come on, the green light. And while that light's on, you need to turn this knob to open it. So let's go ahead and do that. So as you can see, rotating this aluminium knob is actually making the bolts of the safe go in and out. As you can see, I'm turning it with one hand but filming. So that's in the open position now. So looking at the inside of the door, we've got the bolts. We've got one bolt at the top, another one corresponding at the bottom, and we've got 3 along the side. And we've also got this continuously welded single rebated hinge, which makes it very, very difficult to attack this safe. And this is the battery storage door. Let's go ahead and open that. And that reveals your 4 AA batteries. So looking at the door, it's all the actual outer skin of the door is cut from one solid slab of 10mm steel, cut with a roboticized laser. And here's your bolts, one at the top, and then we've got 3 down the side, and there's another one in the bottom there you can just about see. Just next to the battery box is the little button. That's your reset for resetting the code to your own code. 2 internal shelves, as you can see, repositionable or removable entirely, whatever you prefer to get your contents in. 2 fixing holes in the base and a further 2 fixing holes in the rear, making for a very thorough, robust installation. So double wall design, so you have an outer wall of 3mm or 3.5mm steel rather, then a layer of thermal insulation, then another inner layer of 3.5mm steel. And again, so that's that slab of 10mm steel that it's cut from with the laser. As you can see, a very neat cut all the way around. And this makes it very, very difficult, and impossible for someone to drive something in there like a chisel or a crowbar and try and crowbar the door open. So it's highly resistive to that form of attack. The mechanism is all protected by the usual drill resistant material, manganese in this case. As I said before, we've got emergency keys, so if the battery goes flat, or if you just don't want to use the keypad and you just want to open it, sorry, the other way around, you just want to open it with a key, with this particular safe you can. You put your double bitted key in, high security, you turn it, and then it's open, and you've defeated the electronics. So if you're looking for a key locking safe, this is one. If you're looking for a digital safe, this is one. And you've also got, the emergency keys if you forget your code, or if the batteries go completely flat. So what can we fit in this safe? Let's have a look. We'll try a few objects. I appreciate that it's difficult in a video and pictures online to envisage how large something is, a safe especially. So what I do is I use an object that people are familiar with, a soft drink can. This is a regular size 330ml soft drink can, and it's an object, as I say, that people kind of are familiar with how big it is in relation to the rest of the world. I'll put it in one of the shelves right at the back so you can get an idea. Next object is a luxury watch box. Watches are your thing, plenty are going to fit in here. Needless to say probably, but A4 paper, yeah, no problem. Reams and reams and reams of it. For folders, I've reconfigured the shelves now, and I've taken one shelf out which is sitting there, so you can see that's a foolscap folder and that's an A4 folder. So you'd get, you know, half a dozen of those, maybe more across there, and still have, you know, Coke can to the rescue, still have all of that space still at the bottom. So hopefully you're going to buy a safe from us and we're going to come and install it for you. So during the checkout process, if you are doing that, and thank you if you are, there's a number of accessories that you can purchase. So the first one is a automatic light, battery operated, 3 AAA cells, and it's got a little movement sensor, and that pops onto the underside of the top of the safe, and as you open the safe the light comes on, illuminates the contents. Very useful for dark cupboards or wardrobes, things like that, so you can see what's going on in there. And then we have this, which is a flame retardant wallet, so you can put your A4 documents and bits and pieces in there for extra fire protection. We have a carpet base if you want a carpet in the bottom of your safe. As you see, they don't come with one. If you want one, then that's an optional extra. This is a pair of Faraday pouches for putting car keys in. Key cloning, theft of cars is very, very common now. You put your keys in here and the people with the dodgy equipment can't pick up the signal in the house to take your car away. And finally we have this dehumidifier box, which you can put inside the safe. It's reusable, you can dry it out on a radiator, absorbs moisture, protects things from condensation, because you can get condensation form inside a big steel box like that. Also useful for keeping firearms dry as well, and these are all recommended accessories for your safe that are available at checkout. So with us, I don't know if I mentioned already, free delivery and free professional installation with this unit, providing your home or businesses in that area that you see at the bottom of this banner where it says we cover all of those places. London and the home counties, probably about 80-90 mile radius from our headquarters in Hatfield, Hertfordshire. Yeah, so that's it. In summary, that's our Endurance 50k size 3 safe, digital safe with emergency keys. There are 2 smaller sizes. This is the largest one, and if you would like one, jump on londonsafes.co.uk, and thanks for watching.